Welcome to today's geology lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss migmatite rock and how it is formed. Migmatite is a unique type of rock that exhibits characteristics of both igneous and metamorphic rocks. The term migmatite comes from a Greek word meaning mixed rock. It is easily recognized by its distinctive appearance, consisting of light-colored and dark-colored bands interlayered within the same rock. Migmatite forms deep within the Earth's crust under conditions of extremely high temperature and pressure. During high-grade metamorphism, the parent rock begins to undergo partial melting, a process known as Anatexis. Unlike complete melting, only certain minerals melt while others remain solid. The light-colored layers, called leucosomes, are formed from the melted material that later cools and crystallizes. The darker layers, known as melanosomes, consist of minerals that did not melt during the process. The interaction of these two components produces the characteristic mixed texture and banded appearance of migmatite. Migmatites are important in geology because they represent a transition between metamorphic and igneous rocks. They provide valuable evidence about the geological processes occurring deep beneath the Earth's surface and help scientists understand crustal evolution and mountain-building events. In summary, migmatite is a mixed rock formed through partial melting during high-grade metamorphism, making it an important link between metamorphic and igneous processes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more informative geology lectures.